Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Webflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your Webflow account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard and select the project you want to budget for. Click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Under the Billing section, find the option to view your current plan. Review the features included with your current plan. Next, determine your project needs. Identify any additional features you might require. If you need more functionality, consider upgrading your plan. To do this, click on Upgrade Plan. Explore the available plans based on your specific requirements. Make a note of the costs associated with each plan. Also, check for any discounts or promotions available. After determining your budget, consider your expenses for third-party services. If you plan to integrate any tools or services, list their costs. Now, create a spreadsheet to track your estimated expenses. Input your Webflow plan cost into the spreadsheet. Add each additional tool or service you plan to use. Estimate the monthly and annual costs for each item. Review your total expenses to ensure they align with your budget. Make adjustments as needed to fit your financial plan. Finally, regularly revisit your budget to account for any changes. With these steps, you can effectively budget for your Webflow projects. This will help you maintain control over your finances while maximizing your resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.